Oh, hello, I am a dog. This could be my dog diary. We are in the woods again today. Last time was good, hopefully today might be better. It usually depends if people are here. All the humans are being odd at the moment. Yesterday, I wasn't allowed to play with Lola. Lola is my friend. She's big and white with black spots. I'm never told not to play with Lola. The humans have been in the house all the time. It is unusual. In the park they won't get close to each other, they keep a distance. It makes it difficult for me to approach people with a ball in my mouth. And sometimes my lead is on, which makes it even worse. I feel like I'm in quarantine. I am allowed out though, like now. I struggle to ask the humans why I can't run across the park when it's busy. We talk different languages, but they are learning. Soon it will be normal again, I'm sure. Anyway, back to my dog stuff.